What do you call a trade show for the wealthy on the playground of the rich? Well, among other things, Super Baller, but specifically in this instance we're talking about Top Marcus Monaco. An event that takes place in the upper crust European principality and features hawkers of luxury aircraft, automobiles, banks, boats, footwear, handbags, jewelry, real estate, and wine products. Among vendors from other high-end categories. Probably the most interesting thing we read about the show was how auto seller exhibitors are allowed to use the adjacent F1st Street course to display cars in action and have test drives. How friggin' cool is that? The internet has lied to us before, though, so take that with a grain of salt. Mercedes tuners Brabus chose the 2019 edition of Top Marcus Monaco to unveil their Brabus 800. An AMG GT63 S4 Modic Plus executive sedan featuring a new kit for the line topper. A platform released in 2018 as a cousin to the AMG GT sports car with a similar 4-liter turbo V8 under the hood. Yowza. The mill will twist out something like 630 horsepower and 665 lb-ft of torque from the factory, sprint to 62 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, and comes with RWD vectoring, drift mode, but Brabus was able to wring out more, as well as develop Aero, a set of wheels, and a selection of in the engine bay. Brabus targets higher boost and resultant engine output via its Power Extra B40S800 performance upgrade. The hardware package includes a pair of newly designed Brabus turbochargers with larger compressor units and modified core assemblies boasting reinforced axial bearings that are said to produce a max boost pressure of 1.6 bars, 23.2 psi. The company has also developed AQ programming, deployed via Power Extra Auxiliary Control Unit, to optimize the snails, and after the add-ons Brabus reports new power numbers of 800 horsepower and 737 lb-ft of peak torque. A 3.5-inch, titanium carbon-finished stainless sport exhaust system offers a variable note thanks to its integrated actively controlled flaps. The V8 can be operated in quiet, coming home, or rage Y, sport, modes. Other useful, tasteful modifications. For the sedan's exterior, Brabus produced what it calls naked carbon aero embellishments. High-gloss or matte-coated bits fine-tuned in the wind tunnel and designed to fit precisely with the existing bodywork. The 800 features a front spoiler and fascia attachments for the air intakes of the bumper. In back are naked carbon panels at the sides of the rear bumper and a carbon diffuser insert that frames the 4 tailpipes of the exhaust, whose titanium embellishers were painted black to match the outer skin of the show car for Monaco. Monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels 10.5 x 21 inches up front, 12 by 22 in the rear, were developed for the 800, a new forged, 10-spoke design for Brabus, and the AMG rides on an air ride system modified with an Airmatic Sport Unit plug-and-play module, which lowers the car about an inch. You can get a completely custom leather and Alcantara interior from Brabus for your Mercedes-AMG GT63 S4 Modic Plus. And for the 800 the German tuners went with perforated black leather seats highlighted with white leather elements and top stitching in Alcantara inserts in the side bolsters. Stainless steel scuff plates with backlit Brabus logos that light up in colors matching the ambient interior lighting round out the interior design. Completed with features like the Brabus aluminum door pins, sport pedals, and paddle shifters on the steering wheel. The Brabus 800 can be ordered as a complete car, or Brabus can convert any current Mercedes GT63 S4 Modic Plus to this performance level all at once or in stages. For more information, hit up Brabus.